All right, so in today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about data profiling. Data profiling. Actually, Power BI, a Power Query editor has profiling tools that you can use to get an in-depth assessment of the quality of your data. All right, so without further ado, let us get back to uh, our Power Query editor. Then let's see what that really is all about. Okay, so we're going to move to the view, getting straight to our ribbon. And then we select view. All right, so we can see the different kind of profiling that we can perform here. All right, so the first one, I can check on any of them. I'm on the return order table, so I can check the column quality, and then you can see the quality is out for us to see. Okay, we have valid 100, error 0, empty 0. No, there's something you should note here. And okay, let's check something else. Column distribution. The column distribution is also coming out. This is about profiling. We can tell that for the profit, we have 50 distinct, 50 unique. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, returns or the order ID, we can tell that we have 31 distinct, 31 unique, 17 unique, and all that information is popping for us to see. All right, okay, how about we go to the orders table and also perform some profiling too, right? Also that pops for us to see, and then we can see that let's cool just perform some profiling on them. You just want to be sure of your data, want to be sure of the information that you have. Okay, so let's check our order ID here. We have 720 distinct, 498 unique, and all of that information. Now about the column profile. Select the column profile and let's see. Okay, column profile now post for us to see, and very beautiful, very beautiful Power BI. Now there's something here we should note. Okay, now normally when you profiling and Power BI query, okay, Power Query editor doesn't bring all the records that you have in your all the records that you have in your data. It only brings the first 1,000 rows. Like you can see at the status bar here, we're having column profiling based on top 1,000 rows. So you can click on that, and then you can now select it, column profile based on the entire data set, and then immediately see that everything's going to change. You're going to be getting the real data now. So we can tell now that the count of records that we have here is 2,428, and then for now the column statistics now, and then for the order ID, we can tell that we have 2,428, and then we have 0 error, we have distinct 1,746 distinct, then we have 1,210, and that's the information we can get here. We have the mean, we have the minimum, we have the maximum, we have the average, standard deviation, even. So this is kind of like what's it called in Microsoft Excel? Like you're doing performing a descriptive statistic of your data. So that's what we call data profiling. So you can perform data profiling on all the tables and then all the columns you have there real quick, so you don't really have anything to be afraid of. So this one is still saying columns profiling based on top 1,000 rows. Can bring everything out so that we can look at it. Okay. So we can tell that we have 1,634 records of returns in a data set. All right, so that's that about data profiling, and I hope this is going to be very helpful and to you. All right, so that's the size of the class. See you in the next video.